Hello everyone. Right now we will investigate some signals from the function generator as an output signal source and measuring those using an oscilloscope. Let's turn on the function generator and I will use a BNC connector here as our connector to the output channel of the oscilloscope. As you can see right now, the frequency is set to 1 kHz, amplitude is 5 volts peak to peak, and it's a sinusoidal wave with zero offset voltage and phase of 0 degree. And turn on the output of the channel 1. So now this is ready. Now I take an oscilloscope probe, and this one has also two vertical slots, you can see, that will go onto the pins of channel 1 or channel 2 or channel 3 or channel 4, and there is the central pin, that is the power pin, and this is the ground pin. And this one again goes onto the channel 1, rotate it until it fits into the slot, and then push it, clockwise rotate it, it gets locked there. Right now channel 1 is measuring, it is running automatic, you can see the auto is clicking, 500 microseconds per division on the x-axis set and 1 volts per division on the y-axis. And I connect the plus here and the ground here. With that, let me reconnect it properly. Now I can see the signal, and right now I have a measure of vertical menu. It says V lower. Let's go one page up. So we are measuring V peak to peak is 5.16 volts. We expect 5 volts. And then RMS value, let's go down, and there is VRMS soft key, pressing the soft key, making sure it is there, RMS 1.78 volts. And on the horizontal we have period and frequency. Frequency is 1 kilohertz, top voltage of top value is 2.5. Go to the measure, let's clear all items. So there is nothing again, you see that there is no item. Go to the again menu, vertical menu, we want peak to peak voltage. So here is the V peak to peak, the third key following the menu. This soft key, we press it and it will show the peak to peak value. V peak to peak 5.16 volts. Then go down one page and see VRMS, that is I'm interested in. Press the soft key, it gives me the RMS value 1.78 volts. Now I go to the menu button, click it, it's now in the horizontal menu. What do I want? Do I want the period or the frequency? Let me go get the frequency, press the frequency button, I get 1 kilohertz. Do I need anything else? Since this is sinusoidal, I don't want the pulse width, and there is no other information I am interested in. I don't want the delays because there's only one signal. there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sinusoidal voltage. If I want more, I can change the time base. It's 500 microseconds right now. It's 200 microseconds. So I have almost 3 waves. And if I want more, rotate it, the time base or time scale. So now it's 1 millisecond, so I have more waves. If I want to change the voltage level, if it's too big for you, rotate counterclockwise, so each division is 2 volts per peak to peak. So we are in channel 1, coupling is AC, we can make coupling DC. Since there is no DC, I don't see any change. So let's go to coupling AC. Bandwidth limit is off. There is probe is 1x. So whatever it comes, it shows in the same value. So it is 5.12 volts peak to peak. If I change it to 2x, it will show me 10.24 volts peak to peak. And the RMS value will increase by that factor. So probe 2x. I can see that the voltage changes to 10.2, RMS is 3.53. That's all for this video. We'll show something else in the next video.